Can ChatGPT take away your job? Welcome to today's video discussing if ChatGPT can take away your job. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have seen an unprecedented growth, which has led to the rise of various AI-powered applications. One such application is ChatGPT, a language model that can perform a wide range of tasks. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence-powered language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It is designed to understand natural language and generate human-like responses to various tasks. ChatGPT uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and learn from large amounts of data, which allows it to generate accurate and relevant responses. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications across various industries. In customer service, it can be used to provide automated responses to frequently asked questions, reducing the workload of customer service representatives. In journalism, it can be used to generate news articles and summaries quickly and efficiently. In content creation, it can be used to generate blog posts, social media posts, and other types of content. In language translation, it can be used to translate documents and conversations accurately and quickly. So, can ChatGPT take away your job? The short answer is yes, but it's not that simple. ChatGPT can certainly automate many tasks that were previously done by humans, which can lead to job loss in some industries. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not designed to replace humans entirely. While it can automate certain tasks, it still lacks the ability to fully replace human intelligence and creativity. In conclusion, while ChatGPT has the potential to automate many tasks and lead to job loss in some industries, it's important to remember that it's not designed to replace humans entirely. Therefore, it's essential to view ChatGPT as a tool that can augment human intelligence and enhance productivity rather than a replacement for it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, Knowledge in Pieces, on Rumble, YouTube, and click on the bell icon so that you will always be updated with every piece of knowledge. Please like and share this video, and other videos on this channel, and be a part of spreading knowledge. Please follow our Instagram account at Knowledge in Pieces. Thank you.